Right, so Hocking room rates are similarish. 375 for room 5 there. Wowza. Right, so bed 1 is a monster, right? I'm going to put 375 on that. And they're all singles in there. Okay. Room 2, that's got the ensuite, and so is room 3. Room 4. This is going to be a 6x6. There you go. So I'm going to put 350, 350, 350. Bedroom 6 is a monster. Bedroom 4 and 5 are a little bit smaller. I'm going to put 325 in for them. And then I'm going to put 450 in. 425 in for that one. Wow. If someone doesn't buy this property, guys,